Good day, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we're going to continue with Module 4, and we're going to study phonics. Today's lesson's learning objectives are: number 1, practice the pronunciation of the oo and u sounds. Number 2, read the sounds oo and u. And number 3, spell the sounds oo and u. All right, let's get started, everyone. For today's lesson, I need you all to be prepared with a pencil and your textbooks open and ready. I need the student's book to be open on page 52 and the workbook to be open on page 42. Okay, let's begin our lesson. Look at this word. Can you read it? That's right, it's blue. Blue. Very good. What about this one? Can you read it? That's right, tube. Once again, tube. What do you notice about these two words? That's right, these two words are written with the letter U, but pronounced or said in two different ways. So this is basically today's lesson. We're going to discuss together the letter U and how it sounds with the long form, whether it's oo or u. All right, let's start with the first long sound we have. We have oo sound. One more time, oo sound. How do we pronounce that? I need you guys to round your lips and stick them out as in the picture here and pronounce with me. Ooh. One more time. Ooh. Very good. Could you think of a word that has the same ooh sound? Very good. It's a very easy word. We have flu. One more time. Flu. Again. Flu. Very good. Now that we know how to pronounce the long sound oo, I'd like for you guys to think of other examples with the same sound. Think for a bit. That's right, we have true. Please repeat after me. True. True. Very good. Think of another one, please. That's right. Clue. 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 Very good. One more. Glue. 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 That's right. Another one. Include. 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 Very good, everyone. Awesome job. All right, let's discuss the second sound we have here today in our lesson. It's the U sound. One more time, U sound. How to make the U sound? Okay, round your lips and stick them out together, and this time let the air flow out of your mouth as you make the U sound. One more time. U. Again. U. Very good. Now, I'd like for you guys to think of a word with the same U sound. That's correct. Very good. Huge. One more time. Huge. That's right. So the U sound as in huge. Very good. Now that we know how to pronounce the U sound, I'd like for you guys to think of other words with the same U sound. That's right. Very good. The first word we have is cute. Please repeat. Cute. Nice. One more time. Cute. Can you think of another word? That's correct. Fume. Please repeat. Fume. Again. Fume. Nice job. Another word, please. That's correct. Beauty. One more time. Beauty. Again. Beauty. One last word. Very good. We have the word value. Please repeat. Value. Again. Value. Nice job, everyone. These two sounds are pretty easy, right? Now, I'd like for you guys to go to the student's book, page 52, exercise 1. We are going to listen and repeat.
Module 4, Phonics. 1. Listen and say. Ooh, ooh. Ruler. June. Scuba diving. You. Computer. Museum. Uniform.
Let's move to exercise number 2 on the same page. We're going to listen and say. Then circle the oo sound and underline the u sound. All right, let's go.
2. Listen and say. Then circle the oo sounds and underline the u sounds.
In summer and in autumn. In summer, like in June, I always go to the beach. I go scuba diving and see different coloured fish. In autumn, school starts. I always wear my uniform. I use pencils, rulers and computers. And go to museums on school trips.
Two. Listen and say. Then circle the oo sounds and underline the u sounds.
In summer and in autumn. In summer, like in June, I always go to the beach. I go scuba diving and see different coloured fish. In autumn, school starts. I always wear my uniform. I use pencils, rulers and computers. And go to museums on school trips.
All right, let's check our answers. Let's start with the oo sound. What did you find? Very good. We have the word June, scuba, and rulers. Very good. What about the U sound? What did you find? Very good. We have the words uniform, use, computers, and museums. Nice job, everyone. I'm proud of you. Now, I'd like for you guys to go to the workbook, page 42, and get ready with your pencils because you're going to listen, say, and match. You're going to match the oo and u sounds with the correct pictures. All right, let's start.
Workbook, Module 4, Phonics. 1. Listen, say and match. 1. Scuba diving. 2. computer. 3. Uniform. 4. Museum. 5. Ruler. 6. June.
All right, let's check our answers. We have number 1, scuba diving, and number 5, ruler, and number 6, June, are all with the sound oo. But we have number 3, uniform, number 2, computer, and finally number 4, museum, are all with the sound U. Great job, everyone. Let's move on to exercise number 2 on the same page. We have which one doesn't belong? Read and circle. I'd like for you guys to pause the video for a little bit, read the words, and then pronounce them correctly and circle the one that doesn't have the same sound as the other two. Okay? Take your time and then let's check together after you're done. All right, let's see what you did there. In number 1, the word uniform doesn't belong with June and scuba diving. And in number 2, ruler doesn't belong with computer and museum because it has the oo sound. In number 3, scuba diving is different from uniform and museum. Number 4, computer with the U sound doesn't belong with the oo in June and ruler. And finally, number 5, museum is the one that doesn't belong because the other two are with the oo sound as in June and scuba diving. Great job, everyone. You're doing great so far. The last exercise we have today is number 3 in the workbook on the same page. It says, find and circle, then write each word under the correct symbol. We have here the same pictures and the same words that we learned throughout our lesson. I'd like for you guys to look for them in the crossword puzzle before you here, and then write each word that you find under the correct sound, whether on the left with U sound or on the right under the oo sound. Now, pause the video for a little bit, find the words, circle them, and then write them correctly under each sound, and then let's check our answers later. And we're back one more time. Let's check our answers. On the left side, we have the words computer, museum, and uniform under the U sound. And on the right side, we have scuba diving, ruler, and June under the oo sound. Great job, everyone. You did great throughout this lesson. Very good. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you all, and we'll see you next time.